Welcome back to another Pine hosting tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to become an admin on your Project Zomboid server and how to revoke admin when you need to. First, you'll need to log into your game panel and select the Project Zomboid server you want to work on, and then simply go to your console tab. Project Zomboid supports 5 access levels: admin, moderator, overseer, game master, and observer. In order to assign any of these roles, you'll need to type SetAccessLevel into your console, followed by your username. In this case, we're gonna do Pine, and then followed by the level of access you want the player to have. We're gonna go with admin. Then press enter, and now the player will be admin the next time he joins the server with that username. If you ever wish to revoke admin from somebody, then all you need to do is rewrite the same command, set level access, username of the player, and change that level access to none. This will completely remove all perms from this person. And if you ever need to downgrade somebody to the lowest level, you can simply do the same command again and replace the access level with observer, which is the lowest rank. You will always need to double check the spelling and capitalization of both the username and the role name in order for this to work, as they really matter. And if the player isn't online currently, the changes will take effect when the player joins the next time. And that's it. If you need any further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help.